thank you so much. Yan pinakaturang naman to all the parents, to all the teachers tuning in this morning, to all the staff of the hotel industry and nonda banua. Kita wanda chingni bikim ni na matang ni kuwa na rore no gabuka rua na maka kay lubu-lubu untuk sambul binaka mawengel melambasa. And bulu bitoka ni na matang ni kuwa. And bono ni pakabondo and wabu eso na nonda banua. Na Toby Jetty na Walu Bay, na Ran Jetty. Dokter la Jetty may sabu. Oh, number Walu.
Number Walu Jetty.
Malau.
What's the one in Rekan?
Wairiki
Jetty. Ellington Jetty. Malau Jetty.
Lautoka.
Don't know.
There's another jetty or the cross cut to Taviuni.
Yeah, it's I see the place, but I don't know the name. I forgot the name.
Yeah.
It's man. Yeah.
Yeah, we continue.
Come. Ya so kuliah, bina belum besar bitoka di nama tadi kopi kita dalam rabi tolili. Di bitokan boleh maik kita nak panggil ciri bikin ni antun dua ada pun ada panggil di borong boleh mikina. Ada bina kabi koran rabi taxi na Black Arrow taxi. Na LT1230 ada bina ka Baby Dubs. Apa kina na rabi di pasto toko ada boleh bitoka ni. Ada motak ni pakai tambah sing ni kuah. Ada on the ouch palangi show.
Well, good morning to Bill Lesenia. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Likewise to Semi Sally Ravai from Australia. Thank you very much for tuning in. A big loma to Lakemba Namuka mother to the family. O Selai Kirano Boys Junior kay Maika to Isaliam. Tandingo kay Nalusi. Diwere kay Pau kay Chone in this wonderful morning.
Okay. Good morning to Manasaseru and Las Arondike. Not forgetting Master Lazaro my mbala. Oh, Master Lazaro. Mbala ta college sama ni mina tatu sini kuah and Abdul Bu and Bulma. Master was doing the Abdulma.
Oh, Master. Right, right.
Iya, kolesterol. Master Lazaro Dike. Good morning to he was not supervised. He was being part of the Dean's game 2 on the BDC Park last Saturday. Thank you very much for the well done. Rosie Sorwanalangi, Narupa Rosie and also the family to everybody this morning. Nanta keke estate and the Kitimadota, Camille Nivoy. Good morning. Also to Mil Netherlands, thank you very much for the live of the game last Saturday. No, yesterday. Yeah, come.
Yeah, Busini Wilabars, thank you very much for tuning in. Kaminelli Nivoy, thank you so much for tuning in from Nandaka State Keti Madwata. On a Friday, they call me, they inform me, and they tell me the story about everything.
Who's?
All the people.
Okay.
They call me in every situation.
Nandakeke?
Not Nandakeke, about the guinea pigs at home.
Oh, guinea pig, yeah. They never call
even my mom call me. Even my mom call me, hey. Whoa.
Who's guinea pig?
You very hot this morning.
Very hot. Oh, this was Friday.
Nobody was here. The studio was empty.
No, I check.
Kali echo.
And then what?
I check already.
Come.
And I saw the video, and all the people they call me, hey.
You heard
check the video from Facebook page. Check the live. And I don't want to check, But after the game on Saturday, oh, I came to check.
What caused you check?
I was like this. Oh, thank you very much, you too. Thank you very much, you too.
But you guilty or not guilty?
No, not guilty.
Okay, julum.
What about the news of the guinea pig? They ask you.
No, the guinea pig.
Did they talk?
That morning, on Friday morning.
When
I was fall asleep. And I heard the guinea pig crying.
Crying under.
And same time, my ears is crying too.
Oh, kasi.
Half 7 o'clock.
Okay.
My ears was
You still
crying.
sleeping at 7? Are, what are you sleeping for?
My ear was crying.
Did you wake up early and sleep again?
Wake up early, sleep again. Hey, I woke up 4 o'clock, man.
Huh?
I woke up 4 o'clock.
What for?
He was sick on Friday. They miss.
What
sickness? Was sick on Friday.
Sick on Friday.
If you sick on, that's why when you go to the health center, we'll give him 2 days to down.
Okay, there's one sickness he's been getting for the last few weeks now. Let me see. The chest pain. What do you think is the cause of chest pain?
Ngori misalnya binada bisa tarik na greenhouse. Meretekin na galik. Hey, Cody to net to the all the grammarian fence. He was cheering on that day to the grammarian to Cody to net and the family from Tabulevu College. Ndatu kuna ngoko ya ndo nana buli me grammar. tunok ko na nunggu cetungo au cia men romon-romonga. Because Tabo College 2 is yellow. Grema is yellow, blue and yellow. Men romon-romonga san romon-roman blue salak sarana cia. Thank you Awu and the family joining. Come.
So Demesi, it's lucky when I went to watch the video on Saturday.
Okay.
If on Friday, the vehicle will not take you to Walevu.
See, that's what's inside your mind.
Because the only thing is, this is the main story about this morning, is when we were doing the coverage on last Saturday. And he is very, very tired.
Who?
I don't know why. Demesi.
Yeah?
He's very, very tired. He's telling me, "Boy, my knee, my leg is very, very pain. My body is very, very pain." I told him, don't worry. Come, you go and eat.
Right.
While we were eating,
Yeah.
I gave him roti and curry, lamb and rice.
Yeah.
While we were eating, and I called.
Yeah.
And Mama said,
Yeah.
"Hey, we pick you two up."
Yeah.
And said, "Okay, set."
Yeah.
I told him, Can you drop them Messi at his place in Walevu?"
Who call? They call or you call?
No, sorry.
No, I call.
No, sorry,
I call. So I tell them, can you drop them Messi in his home? Lolom, because he is very tired.
Okay.
And the Messi told me, Vale, when I reach home, I need a massage.
Yes, they are useful.
Okay, first of all, tulis tumal na muri.
Okay.
Ata ba muski na nangum?
Okay, we was there. I see Tabale.
Yeah.
I see life. I see Tabale. I see the sun.
Yeah.
Even though it was rain from there,
Yeah.
I see him roaming on the left, roaming on the right. This was like high tide.
Oi.
Na susua. Myself, lucky he can best.
Yeah.
Myself upcut, one desert boot.
Oi.
And wearing long pants.
Long pants, station t-shirt with FM.
Yeah.
Together. And I was looking for my sunglass, and sunglass was missing from my bag.
Oh.
And we was moving right because somewhere there, Bidesh and Bacchus, no taplin,
Yeah.
no stadium, no umbrella.
Lupa terus sa menamuto.
So the story came back.
Come.
The story came back when they go and drop you.
All right.
Oi.
Because of I love you.
Okay.
No, like,
Don't laugh. Don't laugh, Samuel. I'm a mister.
Never mind. Sabar tang matang osam mo na loma na bikin mo.
Vale, never.
So you love the Messi and then what?
I don't care about you. So I told them, I told them, Mr. Kerker, can you drop him in his home, in his compound? No one else, in his compound. Not anyone else place.
All right.
So they came back and they tell me the story.
Okay.
Myself, I didn't know Walevu very well. I didn't know Walevu very well. Because he want a massage.
Okay.
Right.
Pastor, he told me.
Who's pastor?
I asked him, where you drop him? He said, a pastor youth band.
Oi.
Pastor youth band. There's one back over there.
Right.
It's like one apartment.
Oh,
How
okay.
come you know the apartment in there? How
No,
come?
I don't know the place in Walevu. He
How
told
come?
me.
Yeah.
The driver told me. There's one apartment there.
Yeah.
And he told us, just drop me here.
All right.
No, at the back, before the apartment.
Okay.
Just drop me here.
Yeah.
And they run in the front.
Yeah.
All right.
While they turn around,
Yeah.
they come back. There's someone fellow look, and go inside.
Inside the gate.
Inside the gate.
If
Yeah.
okay, if the Tabale was thinking of the blood, if Tabale was thinking of the blood, me na numa nangu ni salli kan.
Yeah.
He leave the home and come together with me. Why you never come with me when the family member gone?
Yeah.
And you want to stay home alone with the mama?
Tukuna besamu, Tukuna besamu. You say that you love me, but then you don't love me.
I want to ask a question. Why, if you think of the blood, of the Tabalan blood, why you never come with me together with the uncle, with the mama? You want to stay home alone with the mama?
Guinea pig. The two sisters at home. Yo, see, have you caught someone red-handed in
the bus?
Stealing the grog or stealing cassava? Have you caught anyone?
Yeah.
I told him,
Did they tell you the way they must act like this?
He act like this.
Yeah.
He look like this. The eyes is very, very wide. The eyes is very, very wide. He look on the right, he look on the left, he look back. Same time, he hop inside, he jump.
Yeah.
He jump inside and he close the gate.
Na susu manibusi. I was like, I was like this.
And then I put up the story. I put up the story and I see, oh, he was there.
Yeah.
Maybe he told me he want to massage.
Yeah.
And I told him, you go home, you grog a bit and then you go.
Yeah.
And he said, wait, I have appointment today.
Yeah.
Don't you try to cancel.
I was thinking of the children, eh?
Yeah.
Don't cry.
Because of the children, this one, eh?
Yeah.
This one got a children.
Yeah.
Kila na rongo.
But you pay 1 jilo.
Saya kata mandang saya di taxi. Wan jilo melila. Abango wan jilo melila. Think of the bloodstream. Anisi anti kantali temua and also to Milesenia Boris Matewalu. Abango mo Boris Matewalu. Good night in.
You should never spoil your tamale because he was mata-mataring.
And I was like this, eh?
Yeah.
Tamale, when we see in the taxi, I was like this. What about?
Yeah.
He was like this. Oka baka me konro, eh?
It's not a taxi.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. I want to go to your home. We drink grog.
Yeah.
And the fellow was like this. No, he was laughing, eh?
Yeah.
When I go back, I see the picture.
Yeah.
Who's the brother? Hey, Vinod Patel and Punjas for the lovely morning. And also all the best to everybody this morning. And also to the Nizak family, Nasinu, for the final after 37 years against RKS.
Hiyo.
Daw sa mutele bunatan randabe. Salo lo matumay.
Oh, yana benar kabani, yana benar kabe karua bridge tu kana. Apakah kita be ratu tahu Rocky ni Simoni?
Oh,
Berapa boleh besar lebih tokan boleh main mata kaniko.
Sambil nada lebu. Mata ka marau taki, eh? Namoni tio kwa baka tu endo na bebato boli. Namoni tio baka mendo tu bebato le kana boro melo malindo na ma weekend. Baka mendo bude sa it's a lazy Monday. Why lazy Monday? It's ausat kuno te mada sauti. Lazy is not a gift. It's not a talented. It's a choice. Egon dingi ta kana bude sa. Never ever choose a lazy as part of your life. If you pollute laziness in a man, kaya kung bito ba kasama na nung bude sa, you'll end up with lazy.
Lazybility.
Awas sa mata kami doon, awas sa meron sa baba na. Nagdimik na nabude sa. Eh, metisela Max Benju baro tungan na bita buki itong bulamay. Nata na bita buki.
Oh, bita buki itong bulamay. Bita buki.
Oy,
Benju. Max Benju.
Don't. If you bude sa, never bude sa. Eh?
It's a tiring. Massaging.
Misa uletan ko may ngani LM 360, 365. Tamay siya.
Oy.
Maraming Tonya. Ano nga kung buya kay wait dala. Boris Matewalu.
Nasinga baruay.
Iya.
Kero le makan nito to na ganit siya may RKS.
Sabi na value.
Arto malangon eh. Arto malangon naman ako.
Oy.
Arto leba arto songo ni may nalalango. Arto le kanalovo.
Iya.
Sarta urabi kami sarta to kunay mo mo. Naungin niya lo kito dito bi misarang ito matani ko. Gaita ka nakatalaw kito sampai sa nguti. Kito sa lomanin basis. Yung nang ko salah dulu kayo ito.
Merto wala ko merto sa kambi waliti ko. Aw bango na ba kusa na taon na ta. Arto may lobo arto morta sarabi na balew sarabi kemo ni isa na bulin timbure. Ndakila binaka. So nangauna itu, so nangauna senga.
Bagay tumbal eh. Kasi liber na talota ka. Kasi pitching nga may nandaro. Nawabe, may ada may nusuri. Situ matadong siya si gar-gar itu. Begitu. Ya, tumbal may London ni may ada may nusuri. Na koko ni sarang gitu. Iya, sabi na nga nida fiti tu nangona, sang tu nangona ko, sa na buli tu eh.
Iya.
Tumbal may nambungi.
Arto ambul tu may nambuka luka.
Oh, tumbulan na.
Simeone Lubita Sau.
Tiri katiwa wala sumubul katiwa. Kita foi simpan lebata kini sino. Iya. Arto kami nuru karon tora technical ground eh. Kita sa ating bure sa sang napitalo sa sang nakana. Na dina si anta 19 eh.
Yan final ah?
Simpan.
Oh, simpan.
Simpan. Sagi kita ke final apa ki QBS, sa kita ke draw nambah ya 1989.
Nomor itu
1988. Oh, wing tu dangona.
Matani penuh.
Iya.
sebenarnya rabut.
Sek sabab nanti nanti sabab sata tiu babut. Iya. So matang gitu ya, na keren nimbul nangona ya, may kurni buli. So sek tu nabut. So rin itu nabut, rin tarma itu nanda 17, 18, 19, se 15, 16 dio. Anden retu di pangarabut nangona. Gay put nangona ya. Se video cingna.
Gold Cup.
Na maita na Gold Cup na Puma Adidas. Sembero ko sa raon tu menangono.
Gue na total.
Awas Italy tu ngona kan forge kan backline eh.
Ilu ya.
Itu forge backline dua batanga.
Gold Cup ko biya biya tunayin di ba ko na kinambala bris spike.
Iya. Ebra bola besar wikim ni no kada sa kito me tabe ke. O dari binak wikim ni na vito ka di bulmai. Go kurmundu.